So in this video I am going to unbox this JBL Quantum 300 by Harman, of course. Without further ado, let's get started. So you guys can see I have already unboxed one of this packet, and see I am currently using this only, so you guys can see for yourselves how is the audio quality. But this doesn't support active noise cancellation, but these are really comfortable and microphone is really good. I have been using this since past 3-4 months and the quality is good. So let's get started. See, this is the seal packed box, and I'm going to open this. While doing so, I will be giving the product details and descriptions and the price that I bought it for and in Delhi. So starting with the price, I have bought it for 4050 plus 18% GST, because on all the electronic items the HSN code is, I think it's I have to check, so I'm not giving you the wrong information. So including GST it will be 4779. So I bought it for 4779, and currently on Amazon you can buy it for 3949. So it's the best budget headphone over the head under 4000 in India, and the MRP is 7000. See, 6999 is the MRP, and this is manufactured in, of course, China. Okay, let's unbox this. See, there is a tape. I'm going to remove this. Okay, done. Oops, I broke the box. So what's inside the box you guys can see for yourselves. Then under this, see, there is a thermocol box coming out. There's nothing else and only this. See what's under the box. There is a one USB to female 3.5 mm jack, headphones, user manual, of course, including mic. So this is of course the user manual. One can read it. These are the headphones, and see, they have been packed in the polythene. See, this is 3.5 mm male jack. And one more thing, if you guys directly plug this into your system, your laptop or computer, then you guys cannot use the microphone built inside this microphone. To use this microphone, you have to first plug the type C USB into this female port, and then plug this USB, see here the USB, into your computer to use the microphone. It is an additional tip. Silicone paper, and see, L left and right are printed on this. So this is very comfortable on the ears, and I'm going to give you a quick specification details published on the JBL website. So yes, JBL Quantum series has many different options, including JBL Quantum 1, JBL Quantum 800, JBL Quantum 600, 400, 300, 200, 100, and JBL Quantum Duo on the last. These all are ranging from between 3 to 4,000 to approximately 25,000. Okay, so yes, the weight of this headphone is only 245 grams, which is light. And this The cushion is very soft. And inside the box there was a one piece of JBL Quantum 300 headset. This one USB or USB to 3.5 female audio adapter, one start guide, one warranty card, and one safety sheet. So this is a warranty card. Okay, there is one warranty card and there is one safety sheet. And one more thing, you have to do this manually. You have to register for the warranty of this device on JBL website manually. So you have to take the photo of the serial number which is written here before throwing this box into the dustbin. Okay, and then you guys can register for the warranty of this onto JBL website. This is one more tip. This process is you have to do it yourself. It's DIY. I will write down the link of the warranty registration on the description. See, there is a serial number here, the barcode on the middle. So that's all, guys. The quality is really good. It's for gaming purpose. You can use it for gaming purpose, for online classes, for etc etc. And see, one more thing, there is a volume up and down button here, so you guys scroll it and adjust the audio for yourself, so you don't have to change the audio output, the strength of audio output from your computer. Yes, you guys can increase or decrease this, the height of this headphone according to your head. And see, these are not 180-degree rotatable, not 360-degree rotatable. You guys can only rotate to this much. And okay, that's all. I really like the quality.